Shown is a photography print capturing the rare queen of the night cactus flower in full bloom in Tucson, Arizona. Its crisp white petals and bright yellow center glisten with dew against a blurred desert backdrop, revealing the fleeting grace of one of the Sonoran Desert's most elusive blooms. This fine art photography print highlights detail, color, and texture for nature-inspired home or office decor. When I photographed this scene, I was struck by how quiet the desert felt just before sunrise as this flower opened. The queen of the night blooms for a single night each year, and I waited through the darkness to see it unfold. By morning, its petals shimmered with soft light and the last drops of dew, a moment of perfection that would vanish by day's end. Capturing it felt like preserving something sacred and fleeting, displayed in a home, workspace, or gallery wall. It offers a calm presence and an appreciation for the rare moments that pass too quickly. A photograph like this adds serenity and natural elegance, inviting viewers to pause and admire the quiet miracles of the desert.